skincare can be complicated with so many steps, but Pearl Skin Studio, the sponsors of this segment, they are back to show us they're making skincare easier with the basic skin health system. And thank you for this, because I am one who is very overwhelmed with all the different steps.
Yes.
You got makeup, you got sunscreen, you got
skincare,
just everything. You know, I need just to keep it simple. And you guys can help with that.
Yeah, for sure. You guys keep watching. If you want to do all of it in one step, in 3 minutes, look fabulous, keep watching, because we're going to start with
makeup,
skincare, and
all
sunscreen.
In one.
All in one. Colorscience.
I'm concentrating.
Colorscience Basic Skin Health System.
Okay.
We'll prove it to you right now.
Wow.
It's very easy to apply. It's
What's
a little
right now?
It's a foundation, flex, face shield. It has color. It has physical sunscreen, SPF 50.
Oh my
protects from all of the rays and looks glowy. Look very natural.
It looks like skin.
Yes.
That's what we're looking for, right?
If you don't like heavy, cakey stuff, yes. So
beautiful.
right now she's using one product that has 3 in it. So it's an eye cream, concealer, and sunscreen.
And that little tool is so easy to apply.
Yeah, metal tool keeps your eyes depuffed because it stays cold. So, and you can apply it and blend it with it. Amazing. SPF 35. Now she's applying SPF 50 powder brush. It's a face
applying
shield.
Sunscreen with a brush?
Yes.
What?
Also, it can be a highlighter because it has a glow in it. And it's great to keep it in your purse to reapply sunscreen, because you have to reapply sunscreen every 2-3 hours.
Amen.
So this product stays on your bath counter.
Okay.
This product stays in your purse.
This is incredible.
Yes,
this is amazing. Okay, look at her flawless face. Wow,
Yes.
and that was so quick for people like me on TV or whatever. You have to be ready every day. We need that. So how do you know which products work for your type of skin, though?
So these products, the most amazing products, because they work for every skin type and condition.
Good to know.
Acne, dry, oily. Lip shine that she just applied has hyaluronic acid.
I love that.
Sunscreen as well.
See that, girl.
And they get it free with the purchase of 3 products, which is face shield cream, powder, and concealer.
Wow, did you guys hear that special? I'll repeat it at the end of this, I promise. Okay, now what about, this is not just, obviously we have a beautiful woman displaying these products, but these are not just for women, they're for the entire family.
Yes, correct.
Really unique.
Because it's physical sunscreen, no chemicals, zinc and titanium.
Okay.
Men use brush because it's not greasy. It can be used on the ears, on bald heads. Kids love it because it's fun. They feel like they're applying makeup. And
men, don't be afraid of the brush, okay? It's
yes, because it's colorless. Some of the brushes are colorless. Some brushes has color, some brushes have glow in it. So it's for everyone.
That's incredible. You look so good. That's amazing. And obviously, you saw, you know, it comes in every shade you need to. I love it. Thank you so much, Katia.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you to Pearl Skin Studio for sponsoring this segment. All you got to do is call 702-525-5504 or visit pearlskinstudio.com. Again, that special offer. Purchase all 4 of those Colorscience products you just saw from today's segment and receive a free Colorscience lip gloss. That is a value of $39. Kendall.